Please start the lab. That is lab number 239. 239. Yeah, you can start the lab. We will also describe this object. So this is 239 lab, managing the process. So I have already started this lab. So in this lab, you can see this create a new log file for the process listings. We are going to create a new log file, and also we will understand about the top command. Very important tool basically. You can expect this type of questions in the interviews also. Establish a repetitive task that runs your previous auditing command once in a day. Okay, I think we'll introduce to Cron tab. Okay, so once the lab is started, you will get an instance, and task 1 is quite similar. What you can do is that you can just connect to task 1, complete the task 1 by logging into the system. So task 2 is basically create a list of process. We are going to use PS. Task 3, list of the process using top command also we are going to learn. And then the next task is a cron job, very important one. We are going to create that. And we are going to test that also. So these are all the tasks. We are going to learn about process, the process, especially in, what we call in using top also we will learn, and then cron tab. Yeah, my lab is getting started. I'll wait for, yeah, my lab is started already. Already started. So what I do, I go back to details. So every lab has its own, what we call it PPK. Okay, this is my public IP. So this is task 1. I'll wait. If you all have completed, then we'll go with task number 2. Yes, getting ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay, once done, please let me know, so that we will start from point number 24, task 2. You are ready, everyone? Or should I wait?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Anyone else wants me to wait?
Wait, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ready? So let us start learning about this process. So ensure that you are in company A folder. So there are some pre-defined folders already in your lab. So what I do, so just say LL, you can see this, there is a company called as, there is a folder called as company A. Yeah, when you say PWD, you should see like this. And there are several folders and files also. Several folders and files. This completes point number 25. So he wants to ask about PS, process status, AUX, and grep, root owned process. And then he is asking you to list these process on the screen, as well as to there is a shared folders process.csv. So both things should be done. So here there is a shared folders. Within that there is a folder. Okay, like this. grep ps-aux is the command which will again, I tell you, there are several processes, but you want only lines which is root. If there is no root, it should not capture. Okay. It will capture only root, and also you are expecting a sudo t. T command also you are using. T command, whatever is shown on the screen, will also go to shared folders process.csv. Yeah, there are several lines which are there, maybe around 10-15 lines which are there. You can also ask this shared folders CSV file whether it is there or not. You can say cat and say right click, shared folders process.csv should show the same content. Should show the same content. This is all. It is captured into process.csv. Several, I mean 10 to 15 commands. 10 to 15 process has been listed, which is root. None other than root. -v, root. Other than root is not root. Other than root. Is that done? Then the third task. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just run this top. It should show you like this. So just understanding about the top, just say CLEAR and say top. It's a real-time tool, where you can see that there are about 87 tasks. 1 is running, 48 are sleeping. 0 is stopped and 0 is zombie. You can see that. And most importantly, the active tasks, running tasks and sleeping tasks are listed here. This one is running, which is using 0.3 of your CPU usage. That's all, nothing else. Memory also, 0.6% of the total memory which is available is being used by system D. Rest all are negligible. You can see that. So if you see the CPU usage here, CPU usage, please understand this one. 0% is used by user. 0% is used by system. 0% is used by NICE. Okay. 99.8 or 100% is idle. You can understand that 100% is idle. 0 is wait. 0 is, hardware. 0 is software. Like that. So 0.2 is something like that. So this is memory. Out of 1 GB, about 400 MB is free. 72 MB is used and 500 for buffers. So like that swap is there. This is the values. This is only for understanding, to especially use for troubleshooting. Yeah, we have just gone through this tasks, all these things. That's all. That's all. Q for quit and top -HV with the following version information, etc. You can see. Q. You can also ask for top -HV. It will show you the version information, nothing more. 3.3. So this completes task number 3. Yeah, if you all of you are ready, then we will do this task 4. Very important one. This is Cron. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Cron is nothing but job scheduler. See, in your day, if you are having 10 tasks, so task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, like that. These are various jobs which are there. Task 1, okay, having breakfast 8 o'clock, attending class 10 o'clock, something like that. Everything there is a schedule. Same thing here, you can trigger at a particular time, at a particular interval, what task you want to do. So that when time is matching, the task is implemented. Task or a script is implemented. So to this go to company A folder, okay, and then we have to create a cron job, sudo like this, cron job -e. Okay, we are going to create a task. We are going to create a task. So you are already in company A. You can ask PWD also. Okay. So what you can do is cron tab sudo cron tab -e E for edit, R for remove, L for list. So if you ask for L, it will say no cron tab. I'm asking E now. It will open a VA editor. The other day we learned about a VA editor. Same thing. I for insert mode. This is point number 33. Okay, insert mode. So in the first line, he asked you to enter shell. This is a simple declaration command. Shell equal to bin bash. And press a space bar. Right. Now next is path. You are defining the path. Okay. So mail to root. This is the third line. Even though this is not much, but only declarations. This is a shell script. Mail to root. Now you are defining an activity. What is that? You can see here. I'll just explain this one. Just copy this. There are 6 fields here. The first field is your, minutes field. Like 10 o'clock, 0 minute, right? 9 o'clock, 0 minute. 9:04, 9 hour 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 9:30. So he defined as 0. 0 means that every hour, 0. That is the first field. The second field is asterisk. That is hours. Every hour, 0th minute. Every hour, 0th minute. That's what here is indication. Third field is called as month, 1 to 12. Every month. The fourth one, month of the day. 1 to 30, 31. Every month on what date? Or every day. All month and every year. The fifth one, day of the week. Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday? Every day, any day. So this is all which is the cron tab fields, which we call. 6 fields total will be there. The sixth one is your script or a command. So here he has given a script, ls-al. He is asking to find, what is that? A CSV file, redirect to, filter audit.csv. So once this is done, you can see the file should be something like this. So save the file. This is point number 38. Save the file. escape, and say shift colon, say WQ. Yeah. So once again, I show you cron tab -e, cron tab -e. It should be like this. It should be like this as it is. If all is there, then execute that. So what happens is that when your date and time ticks to every hour, now it is 10:11. So when it comes to 11 o'clock, it executes. It executes. So this is how this cron tab file we enter. Sudo cron tab -l should display. So -l for listing should show you the cron tab entry. Yeah, like this. If it is showing, fantastic. You have done your job. So when the time matches, it will execute. Unless it won't. That's all is shown. That's all is shown. So effectively here we learned number of things. We started with what we call as process. Okay, we learned about various kind of process basically, and also using this top, and most importantly cron tab. So that's all. There is no basically verification which has been shown here, but you can understand that this is how cron tab -l should show you the contents of the cron tab. So once it is executed, it will redirect to as per the script which is shown here. So that's all about this particular lab. This is lab number 239.